Hey guys, this is Jesse with Detroit Metro Auctions, and today this is an auction alert and an auction walkthrough for the Otus Supply here in Ferndale, Michigan. We're off 9 Mile Road, just out of downtown Ferndale by Bermuda. So if you've never been here before, this is a pretty cool place, a lot of vintage cool stuff in here. So as you can see, there's all different types of vintage stuff in here. We have all types of machining decor. We have even the waitress stations and hostess stations are made out of like old workbenches and stuff. There's a few pieces of restaurant equipment that were brought in over here that are brought out from a different area. There's a lot of tables and chairs, there's lighting, there's TVs. Some of the stuff the new owner is going to keep and try to reutilize here, but the vast majority of everything here is going to sell. So I've inventoried a little bit more stuff than probably that's going to be in this auction. So there might be a few changes and updates that'll end up coming in the next couple days. But this auction is set to close on December 1st. Removal for the items will be on December 2nd and 3rd. So we pulled out some of the smallware stuff and put it out on these tables, but the vast majority of that stuff is inside the kitchen. So these are all spoken for, and those will not be in the auction, but these will all be in the auction. See all these great, cool looking vintage style bar stools and tables and chairs. There's really awesome light fixtures. If you were in the market for any of these light fixtures, or you buy and resell this type of stuff, then you definitely want to get in on this, because there are some really, if you just look at the stained glass and stuff, it's sweet. So all this seating is going to go. This is like the library room that we're selling. There's like a bus in there. We're not selling any of the booths. He's going to try to reutilize that. We are selling the majority of these barn doors that go along with the tracking and stuff inside of it. I'm sorry, I need to turn the light on. Here we go. We're selling this bar equipment. There is a tap system that's inside of this walk-in cooler. We're selling the kegs, the keg racks. Some of the racks aren't going. All this bar equipment is going. So I think he might keep 2 of the coolers. I'm not 100% positive, but there's more light fixtures in here. Let's pop through the kitchen real quick, then we'll finish up in the little hall. So there's, like I said, there's all types of smallware here. There's freezers and coolers. We tried to test what we could. Some of the breakers are busted. Oh, an espresso maker. All this smallware. He's keeping some of the stainless steel tables to try to reutilize it. We plugged in a lot of these coolers to see if they went. There's a little mixer, sous vide, 6 burner. There is, grills and all these coolers, all these deep fryers. He's keeping this dish tank area, but there's some smallware back up inside of it. Now back in this area, there's another, he's keeping the stainless sinks, but we're selling all the smallware. He's keeping one of the 6 burners, but we're selling the combi cooker. This is a freezer cooler. The freezer part's not working. All this smallware is going. We need to add one of those stacks. This thing keeps tripping the breaker, so I don't know if there's a fault in it, but it was running. All these racks are going. There's an office upstairs that's got a lot of smallware stuff in it, but there's only a few lots up there, so I'm going to take you over into the little hall. We're not selling the pizza oven. We are selling all the point of sale systems here, and it's all toast, right? So now there's a 30-quart mixer. We tested that. That's rolling. These are drawer warmers. We need to add the DJ booth. They're sound deafening things that they've disguised as artwork. We're selling that. We're selling the stage. There's lighting that's in the ceiling that we're selling. Look at these vintage, looks like church style light fixtures. This whole back bar is selling. So you're gonna need a carpenter to come in here and take out some of the stuff that's built in. That pergola is going. This bar is half taken, spoken for. So now there's more kegs and more racking. We're not selling any of the pump system or anything like that, or these aren't going either, or the ice machine. the glycol system's not selling. But these bar back coolers are all selling. All this stuff behind the bar is. See, there's a kegerator, which some of the stuff has been removed already. I think they had a dishwasher in this area. There's a couple things that we've noticed that are broke. So please go to DetroitMetroAuctions.com to review and bid on this auction. Like I said, all the rest of the pertinent details will be right on the main page. Please share this with your friends and family. This should be a really cool auction and a good way to start December. So happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.